Welcome to our channel. If you need to block someone on WhatsApp to prevent them from contacting you, follow these step-by-step instructions for both Android and iPhone devices. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the Chats tab where all your conversations are displayed. Step 2. Find the conversation with the person you want to block. Tap on their chat to open the conversation window. Step 3. Tap on the contact's name or profile picture at the top of the screen to open their contact information page. Step 4. Scroll down and look for the Block Contact option. On Android, you may need to tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner first, then select More, followed by Block. Step 5. Confirm your decision by tapping Block when prompted. This will prevent the contact from sending you messages, calling you, or seeing your profile updates. Step 6. Optionally, you can also choose to report the contact if they've been sending spam or inappropriate content. This helps WhatsApp improve safety for all users. Step 7. If you change your mind later, you can unblock the contact by going to Settings, then Privacy, then Blocked Contacts, and selecting the person you wish to unblock. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.